These are like heavy stuff. So look, we have to like climb for this. Yeah, hey, this is quite cool. It's sick. Yo, I don't know if where's Jason?
Not here. On this side.
My thing's right now.
What's it? How do you get your pants? Oh, it is freezing. Holy! You're like.
No.
No, it's actually like freezing.
It's not deep. It's... Oh, that's cold. It hurts.
Just stay in one spot and it will like get better. Come to the sand.
Guys, I'll make a warm spot.
Holy! Why is it so cold, bro?
It's cold. You have to get in. You just have to get in.
Explore.
Wait, we're not there.
Fuck! Yo, there's a purple rock near your feet.
Oh, no, don't give a shit.
There is a pebble. Just stop moving.
Guys, I give up, bro.
Oh, don't take it out. No.
It gets better, it gets better.
better.
Wait, Cody, come over here.
Everyone's trying except
Cody,
you.
come over here. Look at the camera. Cody, come over.
Trust it gets better.
On this way.
Lord,
You
bro.
ready?
It doesn't hurt anymore.
What the fuck
I'm
is
gonna
that?
say thank you, Pippa Dick.
Just look at the camera.
It's a show. Are you ready? Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Just look at the camera.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Thank you,
Pip and
Dick.
Dick.
That was calm. That.
Okay, I'm actually on hanging on.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Okay. Bro, you just have to relax.
I can barely feel it. Actually hurts.
Yo, you're gonna
Damn good ball.
Alright, where are we going?
just don't think about it.
Oh, good? Oh, that's deep.
Like,
What? Look at the bird nest. What the hell? Look at the bird nest.
Oh, it's getting warm now.
Yeah, see?
Should we go over there?
Yeah, I want to go over there.
Yeah, let's go.
You have to climb over this rock.
Oh, go my way.
It's going to slip.
You piss over there.
bro got surprised.
Look at these shorts.
Oh, this is waterproof?
Yeah, little.
Really?
Splash proof.
You like this?
No, yeah, let me do an underwater.
No, don't do an underwater, bro.
Wait, I gotta film myself.
Holy.
Do you think everyone's phones are fine?
The whole time.
Oh, you got that?
Whoa.
Oh, you got that? You got that?
Yo,
Yo!
it's rising.
I'm gonna slip.
It's so slippery.